traveling the world is one of the most fulfilling experiences. If you're looking for stunning natural beauty, rest, and relaxation, look no further than Maui, Hawaii. Here's a step-by-step guide to planning and enjoying a trip all by yourself to one of the most beautiful islands in the world. 1. Book a flight. Book a flight to Maui from your nearest airport by visiting google.com/flights. The Google Flight website is great because it will show you peak travel times and whether you're getting a low or high price for the time you wish to travel. You can go to Maui anytime. The island is between 75 to 80 degrees year-round. 2. Choose your location. Maui is one of the least populated islands in Hawaii, but where you stay on the island can alter your experience. If you want a more touristy experience, choose West Maui. Areas like Launa or Kaanapali will give you tons to do and ways to meet other travelers. If you want a more scenic, quiet trip, choose South Maui. South Maui is more residential. Kihei is the most popular South Maui town with great surf spots and local eats. 3. Book lodging. Now that you have a location, you need to choose your lodging. The most budget-friendly option is to choose rental property. Sites like Airbnb are great to find the perfect location on the south and west sides of Maui. You can enter your preference and options will appear. If you want to meet locals, opt to rent just a room. Living with someone is the best way to make your first friend. 4. Document your experience. Your trip to Maui should be one to remember. But if you're going alone, it may be a pain to find someone to take pictures of you next to those Maui waterfalls. Before you head to the island, be sure to get a travel-size tripod. You can find one to connect to your phone or camera. Most come standard with a remote to take pictures of yourself no matter where you are. 5. Find a surf instructor. A quick internet search of Maui surf instructors should yield you hundreds of options. Maui is one of the most popular surfing destinations in the world, so it's only right you enjoy a surfing experience. Even if you're an experienced surfer, you should opt for an instructor in Maui because the sea life and coral reef make the water more dangerous than other areas. Maui instructors usually teach in classes of 3 to 5, which means you can meet people visiting the island like you. 6. Coordinate your road to Hana. Taking the road to Hana is one of the most sought-out Maui attractions. Many people opt to rent a car for the trip, but as a solo traveler you should stick to a tour. The 6-hour road trip is one of the most dangerous roads in the world. To learn more about Hawaiian culture, choose a tour with a tour guide native to the island. You can confirm this when you contact your tour company. To make sure you have chosen a good tour, ask if it includes seeing Maui's infamous black sand beach. You won't want to miss it. 7. Drink a Mai Tai. There's never a wrong time for a Mai Tai in Maui. Although Mai Tais were created in California's Bay Area, they have become the signature drink of Hawaii. The best time to get the rum drink is during happy hour at any beachside bar. In Maui, happy hour usually goes from 3-6 p.m., and locals know the best Mai Tais are served at Monkey Pod Kitchen in West Maui. 8. Enjoy the nightlife. Before you leave the island, gather some of your newfound island friends or journey alone to the Dirty Monkey. The downtown Launa bar is home to locals and tourists looking for a fun night on the town. The bar has a beautiful view of downtown and is visited by hundreds of patrons every night. It's the perfect place to have fun Maui style. 9. Get some poke. Hawaii is known for being the home of poke. No Hawaii vacation is complete without it. In Maui, ahi tuna are one of the most popular fish to catch off the shore, which makes it the perfect fish for a Hawaiian poke bowl. Takamiya Market is an island favorite and boasts the freshest poke on the island. 10. Play with wildlife. Wildlife is abundant on Maui. Don't be surprised if you see sea lions napping on the beach or sea turtles playing in the water during your excursions. To interact in a safe way, grab some snorkel gear and head to Honolulu Bay. Depending on the time of year you go, you may be able to see one of the 3,000 whales that live off the coast of Maui in the winter. 11. Watch the sunset. Before you conclude your trip, make plans to stop and watch the Maui sunset. Restaurants like Fleetwood's have a nightly sunset ceremony with traditional Hawaiian singers every night free of charge. 12. Make a traditional lei. No trip to Hawaii is complete without being late because leis are synonymous with Hawaii. You can get a true taste of the history and culture. Historically, leis represented wealth, royalty, and rank. Today, they are given as a greeting farewell and for religious reasons. Each Hawaiian island has its own distinct lei representing a color and flower combination unique to the island. The representative lei of Maui is called the lokalani. You can learn to make these all over the island by attending a lei making class.